Hey guys, Nyisha here, just an average girl, and this is it. Today we are going to be working on completing Optimus Prime. Now there are other components that still need to be put together, but I'm going to make a separate video on that. But today we're just going to finish the upper body and he's complete. And I gotta say, this has been such an amazing journey. And again, I'm so glad that I participated on this project that Agora Models has put together. So without further ado, let's complete Optimus Prime. All right, so this is the part where I have to now label these guys so I know what circuit these guys are. So what they do is they give you, you know, of course, numbers. So I have to figure out which one's for the mouth, which one's for the eyes, and which one is for the speaker. So the speaker, I believe I just have to trace it all the way back. Let's see. Yeah. All right, so this one is for the speaker, and the only way, and for me to find out, what I did was I plugged the circuit. So what I'm going to do here, I just want to hear what happens. Okay, because see, something should have came on, like the mouth and all that stuff, because I have here the speakers, the mouth, and the eyes. So this is the speaker, and it is going to be number 4. And just so you know, the reason why, yeah, see, you heard that popping? That was the speaker. All right, guys, it's time to put his brain in. Now, of course, this is all pre-programmed with everything from lights to him talking and his mouth. Well, we know the functions of the motor mouth and all that stuff, but this is the circuit that puts it all together. If you take a look here, as you can see, these are all coordinated based on the numbers they're supposed to be connecting the wires to. And here he is. The Agora models Optimus Prime is now officially complete. there are, throughout this whole time, I didn't use a lot of glue. I didn't glue here and I didn't glue here on account, oh, and I didn't glue this part. Apparently a lot of people had problems with this part, but just to be on the safe side, and once again, kudo points and, you know, high praise to TC3 Wins, because he recommended that in case there are any kind of electrical problems, to not glue these. I don't know why they tell you to glue them. I see no reason, so I am not gluing these parts, because if I need to put this together, I don't want to break any, you know, parts that have been glued and all that stuff. So I didn't glue them. I don't mind this. Obviously you couldn't tell from a distance until you look up close. Same thing with here. I've seen other people whose chassis, they're like sprung open like that. So for whatever reason, over here seems to be a little off. When I was putting this chest part together, it's going to be a lot for me to go in there and figure it out. So I'm just going to leave it be, because it's gorgeous. It really, really is beautiful. Also, I did not glue the matrix all together. They said to do so, however, I did not. So when I open this, of course, it's going to fall apart. The reason why I did not glue the matrix is because, once again, in case anything happens with the lights where I need to get apart, I don't want to, you know, pull this thing apart that I've glued together. So I've pretty much just kept it together as best as possible. To see the matrix, I have to lay them down flat and all that stuff, because if I open it up, it's going to... Actually... Never mind. Never mind. You just have to be very, very careful. But yeah, so as you can see, here's his matrix in all its glory. Now, there are still parts. As you can see, I still have his axe, his matrix, and the blaster is still in the box. This is going to be another video for another time. I've put together the remote that controls this, so let's give it a go. All right, let's turn on the matrix. There it is. All right, let's check out his eyes. Fantastic, working as it should. Let's check on the lights. All right, lights are functional. Let's check his feet. Feet is functional. And let's hear him talk.
Greetings from Cybertron. Freedom is the right of all sentient beings. Autobots, roll out. Survival of the strongest. One shall stand, one shall fall. Hero till the end. Greetings from Cybertron.
Okay, and it repeats.
Greetings, people of Earth. I am Optimus Prime. More than meets the eye. The Autobots need your help to defeat the Decepticons. Let's roll. Always a hero.
Let me see what this recycle does. Oh, okay, that's adorable. Okay, all right. So yeah, this is Optimus in all his beautiful glory. He is looking sexy as hell, but now he is technically not 3 feet because we are missing the base. Once we add the base around it, then he's approximately 3 feet. But I'm curious. Let's see how much he weighs. All right. So I got 25.8 pounds. This gargantuan beast of a robot is 25.8 pounds. 8 pounds. All right, guys, this is it. He looks amazing. And I mean, I know he's not a toy, he's a giant figurine. It's a shame he can't transform, because it would be one hell of a project to transform this thing. It would probably take me like an hour or so just to get all these parts. Now, I don't know if over time, you know, when I do poses, you know, he would be a little more limber, because right now he is stiff as hell. And there were some parts that I super glued that unfortunately were coming apart, so I have to re-glue those parts, but that's all right. Other than that, he's a giant beast, and I just have to find a place to put him. Where I do know, but it's like I have plenty of places to put him. But, you know, I just want to find a nice home where when people walk in, they see this beast and they're like, what the hell is that? And I give them that story. Guys, thank you so much for, you know, watching this series. If you haven't seen this from the very beginning, where it was just nothing more than a head, then you can check out my playlist and check out my other Transformer related content. Guys, thank you so much for being with me on this journey. This was one hell of a project that I have no regrets, and I was willing to take the time with it because I'm a collector, and to have something like this in my collection is prime choice. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Nyisha, and I'm just an average girl. Stay tuned.